is Miss Kitty, A.G. Crafter. Today I'm going to show you a room that I made back a few months ago, and it is a portable room. If you don't have the space to have a dollhouse, then this is a great option. It's very easy to just fold up and put into a closet or under the bed or something like that. Well, I got the idea from on Pinterest, and you know, Pinterest is a great place to go if you want to get ideas for crafts. So the idea that I got it from, the website was called greenandgorgeous.net. Now I will put the link in the description area down at the bottom, okay? So first of all, I would like to say, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And also hit that bell notification. Then you'll always know when I'm going to make another video. So anyway, you know, I like to have a American Girl dollhouse, and I do have one, but I wanted to be able to add on a different room, but I don't have the room to do it. So I came up with this. I found this idea on Pinterest, and it's really neat. All it takes a few materials, and of course the link will tell you all the materials that you'll need to have for it. But you need to have a foam core board that like the demonstration, what you use for that. This is what you use, is the foam core. And later on I will turn the camera around so you can actually see the dollhouse, and I'll set the room and I'll set it up so you can see it. Okay. So the other thing that I used for it was some contact paper, and I also used spray paint to paint the walls. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around. So in just a minute. And I'm back now. Now, as you can see, there are two parts to this room. There's a floor part, and there is the wall parts. Now the walls I painted, I just used spray paint, and I painted it like in a ballet pink color. It may be kind of hard to see on this, but it is a ballet pink. It's really cute. But anyway, and then the bottom part of the floor is, I just covered it in a granite type contact paper. So you've got two pieces. You've got the floor. There's the floor. And then you've got the walls. It's really easy to store. So all you have to do, if you're done playing with it, you just take it and fold it up, and it stores away just fine. So I will set up, this is a laundry room. So I will get it set up in just a little bit. I will set it up just like that for you. And I'll show you what it looks like. And so here is Mary Ellen working really, really hard in her laundry room. See, I've got the laundry room, the laundry washer and dryer. I got that from Target. It's Our Generation, the Our Generation laundry room. It comes with the washer and dryer and the laundry basket, and the ironing board and the little thing to hang the clothes on. So it's a really, really cute set, and it's the perfect thing. So if you have a child that loves to play with her dolls, but yet you don't really have a lot of space to have a whole dollhouse, makes the perfect thing. So you can just take away the furniture, put it up in a closet or something, and then fold it all up and put it away. So there you go. That's about it. Just fold up the room, put the furniture items away. Okay, so see how easy that was. You just put the furniture items away and then fold the pieces up, and you can put them into a closet or under the bed. And then whenever your child wants to play with them again, just take the furniture pieces out. And it's not as much stuff to have. You don't have to have it out all the time. So it's a whole lot, and is a lot less expensive. Also, that's the other good thing about it, because the foam core board does not cost that much. You can get some at Walmart. The paint, spray paint, it's not that much. And then contact paper. And then the other stuff is you just can Google some images to put on your walls. I'd like to do, the next time I do a room, I would like to do a spa, like beauty shop. That's kind of what I'd like to do, because in my dollhouse, I have one, and I think you've seen on my channel, you've seen the tours, the dollhouse tours. But I did not have, in my little area that I have, I did not have enough room to have a laundry room, a spa, salon type room. I just don't have the room. So I thought, I got to searching on Pinterest, and I thought, well, gosh, this is really an easy thing to do. So anyway, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. And I will be doing more videos. Maybe if I ever do make a laundry room, not a laundry room, I've already made a laundry, excuse me, I'm sorry. If I do a salon, spa type thing, or I was thinking about maybe doing a school room. I'd like to do that someday. But anyway, so if I do another room, I will show you the room that I did. All right, so be sure to check out that link that I put in the description area. Okay, I hope everybody I hope you all stay well during this kind of terrible time that we're having right now. So anyway, goodbye.